I'm the founder and CEO of ARO Medical. It's a spinal implant company looking to improve the outcomes of patients undergoing their first spine surgery. There are approximately 521,000 of these surgeries every year in the US, which represents about $17 billion in expenses. The average age is 42 of the people that go through this, and so they're at the peak of their earning cycle in their lives. 68 to 75% of these patients do well. Their symptoms resolve, surgery works, everybody goes along with their lives. Unfortunately, 25 to 32% of these surgeries fail. Fail in the sense they don't give the patient symptom relief. And so Tiger's gone through 4 spine surgeries from this and has missed 4 years of productive golf. The most common reason for that is 53% of these patients have significant ongoing back pain. No leg pain, but a lot of back pain. ARO Medical leverages scientific research that shows that axial rotation, this kind of twisting movement, is associated with back pain. Back pain comes along with more movement. And so our fundamental hypothesis is if you can prevent that movement, you can reduce the back pain in these patients. It's a patented technology. It's implanted during the decompressive surgery, and it improves clinical results. We've done 20 patients in a prospective study in Denmark. The data shows that the patients have significant improvements in both leg and back pain. We now have data that goes out as much as 4 years. We have issued patents in the US and the EU. We have done all the things that you want to set up a business to start to commercialize. And we're currently in process of gaining CE mark, which would allow us to sell product in Europe. And we expect that over the next few months. We put together a group of people who advise us. We have clinician advisors who are world experts coming from both the US and Europe. We have business experts who have successfully created startups and gotten them to exits in the orthopedic space. We have subject matter experts who help us move the business along on a daily basis. Our business plan is to create differentiated product with proof, regulatory approvals, and targeted sales to open up a huge market, and then to leverage our virtual organization and then find an exit. The common treatment is those surgeries that happen every day, and when they fail, what happens? The patient goes back to the surgeon and says, I've got a lot of pain. The first response is, take some aspirin. And they progress up the scale from aspirin to NSAIDs, other NSAIDs, up to opioids. Take a 42-year-old, put them on OxyContin, you're not looking at a very good result. And so our advantage is to go after the pain. Our plan for the next 2 years is to initiate sales, to proceed towards FDA approval, and continue to gather clinical proof that will show the advantage of our technique. We're out to raise $1.5 million to achieve these targets. And the advantage is we've already done the clinical data. There's already some data to start with. And we've put together a team that makes this work. And we have a very inexpensive product.
Bruce, very nice. I love how you're leveraging sports medicine technology to be utilized in the spine area. My question for you, if you were going towards one of the big companies, knowing that they're all consolidating and they have similar technologies from a button perspective, is your IP really around the button technology, or is it really around taking that technology into the spine?
It's really the combination of the 3 pieces and how they're put into the spine. So it's not narrowly focused. It's really about putting a flexible structure between certain structures in the spine.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.